So looking over the instructions here, it looks like you're going to mash the button B, which is this red button here, remove this, and when that comes off, you'll be able to kind of set your password on this thing. Turn the wheel to the desired so you can turn it. So to set it, I'm going to pull it down right here, and then I'm going to set whatever password I want right here, and then it'll be set, and then you can put it together. And you see how that works right there, and you cannot get this off. This is a very cool looking lock. Looking at the size of this lock, I think this would work for a wide variety of things, whether it's a laptop, a bike, or anything like that. And the combination on here is very smooth. It's got a very smooth combination on it. I like it. Does that come off? That part doesn't come off. That seems to be on there pretty good. So let me go ahead and try the set function. You can see right there out of the box, it's already set up. So I'm going to take that off. Now let me go ahead and set something on here. Right there, we are set. Lock it back. Lock that. And now that's the new combo right there. So now I have a new combination. Well, there you go. That was easy to set that. Once you pull it out and put it back in, it's already set. So there's the new combination. See, check it out. Does not work when I go right there. It doesn't work. And then when I get the new combination, boom, right there. This is so tiny, you could roll it up and kind of put this in your pocket and have that really small down inside of a luggage where you just got enough lock where I'm going to be carrying this with me where I just want to throw my backpack or something, lock it to a pole or something, maybe while I'm doing something and then come back and hopefully it's still there. So yeah, there it is, everybody. That's all I got on the, the combination cable lock. See you all in the next video.